So, whilst you might not want to travel or be able to, you might want to, but whilst you might not be able to travel thousands and thousands of miles around the country, you possibly can spend time amongst the trees, like Brad Carr did. He spent a year to produce this fabulous, beautiful um, photo book. And although it's simply stapled, some might refer to this more as a zine. I refer to it as a photo book because of its content and how it clearly demonstrates a concept. We know what his concept is. He spent a year. My childhood walks into the woodland provided a much needed escape from reality. The trees calmed me, their branches protected me, and the consistency of nature enveloped me with the feelings of safety and stability. I think that one sentence just sets the whole concept as we go through. And as we go through, you can see this beautiful, beautiful imagery of the trees. I think one of the things that we have to take on board with a photo book, it is about the photographs. So it's about the text, it's about the concept, it's about the flow, the sequencing, but it's about the quality of the images. We want to see great photography. I have my nan to thank for much of my 2021 portfolio. While I was focusing on my use of light, technical qualities, and composition, she was drawing attention to all of the things that she was imagining within each of the scenes. A photograph of Ashness Bridge brought memories of children playing by the stream. In a photograph of Old Man of Store, she was focused on the different faces that she could see within the extraordinary rock formations. Anybody who's been on any of my workshops will know that I talk about Roland Barthes or Barthes and camera lucida. And one of the things that Barthes wrote about was how we view images based on our memories and past experiences, as well as creating imagery based on that. So this is how two people can look at exactly the same thing and come back with completely different photographs. And then two people can look at a photograph and actually respond to it in totally different ways. But as we go through Brad's book, this beautiful imagery just continues and the beautiful text continues. I absolutely love this book. I saw it actually initially on Biblioscapes, and with the images there, you could see, or the images of the book, you could see the photographs, and you could see there was this text here. And I ordered a copy of the book because I wanted to read the text, and I'm so pleased that I did. I also invited Brad to come along and talk about his book, and I'll share a link to that interview with you. But absolutely stunning, stunning book, and one that any of us could actually make ourselves. And that's why I've included it here.